Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Truepill, now operating as ForwardRx, is a digital health platform that simplifies medication management. They offer a range of services designed to make getting and staying on your medications easier than ever. From online prescription refills to direct-to-consumer telehealth consultations, Truepill strives to streamline the healthcare process. Their platform connects patients with licensed healthcare providers who can prescribe and manage medications, all done remotely. This offers convenience and accessibility, particularly for those with busy schedules or limited access to traditional healthcare facilities. ForwardRx boasts a user-friendly interface, simplifying the often complex process of managing prescriptions. Their services often extend beyond just dispensing medication. They offer comprehensive support to help patients adhere to their treatment plans. This can include medication reminders, automatic refills, and personalized support from pharmacists. Truepill's focus on technology allows them to integrate with other healthcare platforms, creating a more connected and efficient experience for patients. They understand that managing prescriptions can be challenging, and they aim to provide a seamless and supportive experience throughout the entire process. By leveraging technology and a patient-centric approach, Truepill, now ForwardRx, aims to empower individuals to take control of their health. This approach not only simplifies medication management but also emphasizes the importance of adherence for optimal health outcomes. They prioritize patient privacy and security, ensuring that sensitive medical information is handled with the utmost care. Their platform adheres to strict security protocols and complies with all relevant regulations. For those seeking a modern and efficient approach to managing their medications, exploring the services offered by ForwardRx, formerly Truepill, could be a valuable step towards simplifying their healthcare journey. Their comprehensive platform provides an integrated and streamlined experience designed to meet the evolving needs of today's patients.